Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this AI hugging TikTok trend video and your PC. First, you need to make sure that you already prepared the photo. You can combine two photos like this side by side, and after that you can open your browser, and in here I'm going to use Pick First to create the video, the hugging video. You can open the pixfirst.ai and click on try Pick First, and this is the Pick First homepage. Now what you need to do is just click on this to upload the image, and after that you can enter the prompt. So actually I've already done and generate the videos, and here the prompt that I use: hug each other tight while still facing the camera. You can see the result in here. This is the result. And after that you can just here click on download if you like with the result, or you can also retry to regenerate it again. You can also upscale it if you want to. So that's how you can make the hugging video, the viral hugging video for TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.